We did know.
Yeah, man, I'm going.
No.
When I get done with it.
Something alright?
Action.
Me?
Yeah.
What's that again? What's that again?
Action.
Prinny, I'm not talking about no liar, friend. I talk about a liar where you pay to make sure you don't get right.
Driver! Don't stop at all!
Action.
You know, something I feel like I coulda, I'm think, but I feel like I think I coulda asked.
Action.
I think I coulda asked Sheba for
Not Sheba.
Tasha.
Tasha. Action.
Surely that them spend thousands of dollars for my ear, nails, my appearances, and my living situations. So what you mean?
Prinny, you are them investment. Them have to do that. It's a percentage thing to be.
And they get that.
Yeah, 20% of the ride. Shit. 20% of the what? Standard rate. Bomba, man.
Action.
Babe, them spend thousands of dollars for my ear, my nails, my appearances, them, my living situation. So eventually them have to take it back little by little.
But Prinny, yeah, them investment, them have to do that.
And them get the, what do you mean?
It's a percentage thing, you know.
Put on it over.
The fly.
That's why me always a signal the plane.
Action.
But Prinny, you come like you're a joker still, you know. It's a box you work to put yourself, you know.
What do you mean? Box?
Yeah, because you work to kill off yourself.
Should I never rebuke your name of damn Jesus?
Yo, so how much out of 2 million you get already? I mean, them get already.
Come again. Okay, you're not getting,
Action.
Something alright, yeah?
Yeah, I finished with it.
Action. A pretty Glock 40 you want to take, eh? Come to your police. Straight like you now. No, pull up. Oh,
Action.
my pretty Glock 40. You're mad, man. Police. Straight like your friend. Or straight to come back again at the rod.
Legal.
No, the kid is the bad dad.
Action. Dada.
No, you know. Me ask you what you know. What no?
Yeah. Action.
Carlton, them say, see me and come live with me are two different things. And since that incident here, I learn a lot. You understand? So, you know, bye-bye.
Action.
Trevor, we need you to focus on Calder Tours. The development of Calder Tours. That we need from you. Your job is just to make sure that the place reach to a level where we can branch out and even have other branch. Great. Total great. But come again.
No. Nope.
Action.
Carlton, what you do to Carty?
Oh, cartel.
Cartel? What you do to Carty?
Cartel, no, do not the cartel.
I don't line, right?
Oh, me? Us? Me and you about that.
Action. Where you go? Young lady, you have to take 2 steps and stop and look up the top.
Take back yourself and bring back yourself in a one piece. Make sure so you reach.
Action.
Wait.
Awa. Action.
You see the way how your face look.
Thumpable.
That
Thumpable, me that go say no. Me realize
Thumpable
thumpable.
in the night.
I'm bad, and you know it.
Action.
The funny thing is, you look somebody for feel away about you. That's not me. One, you're not cute. And two, you feel your shape up.
You shape like vinegar bottle. Action.
The funny thing is, you look somebody for feel away about you, and that's not me. One, you're not cute. Two, your favorite vinegar buckle.
Cut. And action.
You see the way how your face look thumpable?
But I'm careful what I say.
Who? You? Too bad. Too bad.
Action.
The funny thing is, you look somebody.
To feel a way about you. You just said the whole line look a while. Action.
You don't have to make his life any difficult, you know.
No, you don't have to make his life.
A few moments later.
Don't have to make his life difficult, you know. I'm continue to put it in this one.
A few minutes later.
Action.
You don't have to make him life difficult because you no longer have him. Sorry, you spin the phone.
What me do?
You set it upside down. So me take up in one.
Action.
Hello, Miss Never See Come See.
There is no threat to me.
No.
Trevor can do with anybody you want to do with.
If you ever
Do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. See.